Let's start showcasing project number 4 for networks project. Let's get into the folder and run it through. Bash server. Open it. Oh, okay. With first data before, we can see that there are several posts here with pagination that works correctly, while there is no new post option because we are not logged in. Still, we are not logged in. Okay, let's log in, and you can see that there is no pagination here. Let's log in with one of the accounts here. Now we have the ability to new post. Let's post something. Okay. Okay. And you'll see that there is a 0 like content here that can be edited with a like or unlike button. And as these posts belong to the current user, they can edit it. Let's see some of other posts who belong to this user. Oh, okay. The fourth user, as an example, cannot edit. You cannot edit their posts, but you can like or unlike them. Anyways, this is the pagination has some options like this. Work finally, you can get into the page belonging to each user that filters all the posts. And let's get in some other, yes, like this. You can see that other users profile page which show an follow unfollow icon, and it should be revised however later for live correction. And you can see that number of followers and followings changed, and you can follow and unfollow that user. Still, you can check all of them. And let's say that what are followings of this user, that are third user, admin user, just these two. That's it. Let's see. Let's edit some posts, for example. Add some extra text here. We can save it, or if we didn't want, we can cancel it anyway. There is no way to edit it through URL route. You can see it's managed by JavaScript functions, so it's secured for the website. All done. Thanks a lot for watching.